Before we install the Arduino IDE, let's quickly understand what it actually is and why we need it. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. In simple words, it's a software where we write code, check if there are any errors, and upload the code to the Arduino board. Just like Microsoft Word is for writing documents, the Arduino IDE is for writing programs for your Arduino projects. It has everything we need in one place: a space to write code, button to upload, and even tools to monitor your Arduino. It also comes with a lot of built-in examples. If you are a beginner, these examples are super helpful. You can learn how to blink an LED, read a sensor, control a motor, all from the example codes. Another great thing is that it supports many type of Arduino boards, not just the Uno, but also Nano, Mega, ESP32 and many more. So if you want to control hardware like sensors, LEDs, motors, you will write the logic in the Arduino IDE and send it to the board. That's why the Arduino IDE is the first tool every maker needs. Alright, now that we understand what it is, we are familiar with Arduino board and IDE as well. It's time to set up the software we need to program it. So let's quickly see how to install it. First, open your browser and go to the official Arduino website. That is www.arduino.cc. On the home page, look for software section and click the download option. Now, depending on your computer, whether you are using Windows, Mac or Linux, you can download the current version of your system. For Windows user, you will usually get an installer. Just download it and run the installer. During installation, you can simply click next and keep default settings. Very straightforward. Once installed, open the Arduino IDE. You should see an example window with a big empty space for writing code. There are also buttons at the top for saving, uploading and verifying your code. This button is for verifying and this button is for uploading code. Now, let's connect our Arduino Uno to the computer using a USB cable. After connecting, go to the tools menu and select the board Arduino Uno. Then go to the port and choose the COM port where your Arduino is connected. If you are not sure which port it is, you can unplug the board and plug it back into see which port appears, like this. Port disappear and appear again. Okay. You can also select the board and port right here. Arduino Uno, and in my case it is COM port 9, and that's it. Your Arduino is now ready to be programmed. In the next part, we will upload our very first program, the famous blink sketch, and make the onboard LED blink. So stay tuned. Awesome. Now that we have installed the Arduino IDE and connected our board, it's time to upload our very first program, the Blink sketch. This is the classic first program for anyone starting with Arduino. What it does? Simple. It turns the built-in LED on and off repeatedly. This helps us confirm that everything is working properly. So let's get started. First, open the Arduino IDE. Now go to the top menu and click on File. Then hover Examples and under the Basics, click on Blink. A new window will open with some code already written. Don't worry, you don't need to write anything yourself right now. This example is ready to use. Just make sure your board is set to Arduino Uno and your port is selected correctly. Now click on the upload button. It's the one with right arrow icon at the top. You'll see a message at the bottom that says compiling sketch and then uploading. If everything is correct, it will say done uploading. And now look at the Arduino board. You should see the built-in LED near pins 13 blinking on and off. Congratulations! You have just uploaded your first Arduino program. Next, we will modify this code a bit to sense the blink speed, and we will try uses an external LED. So stay tuned and let's keep learning.